Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Exclusivo espresso machine. Now for this machine, we did a little bit of work. We had to basically disassemble the entire thing and replace multiple parts from this machine. These are all the parts that we replaced from the machine. We replaced the switches, the fuses, some of the wiring over here. We also replaced the valve assembly. We replaced a lot of gaskets, as well as the shower screen and the gasket of the portafilter. We do not have the portafilter of this machine or any portafilter that can fit into this machine, so we will not be able to do a shot of coffee, but we're gonna be able to show you how the flow of how the group head flows, water flows. Previously I emptied the boiler of this machine completely to make sure that there was any water as I was working on the machine itself. So right now it's refilling. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, and again working perfectly fine now that the boiler is full and the machine is up to temperature. Water one as well is working perfectly fine, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working excellent. And the shower screen of the machine as well, working fine. We also replaced the bottom board, all of them, all these little switches, one of them wasn't working, and yeah, it's just working perfectly fine. So let's do some steam as well. There's still a little bit of water in there. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna wait for the boiler to get up to temperature so we can see some steam coming out of the machine, out of the one. As you can see, now the machine is starting to get the temperature. Nice steam coming out of the machine. Good pressure. Excellent pressure, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Exclusivo working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.